over here, I want to create a scale that creates this chart over here. I'm having over here the PBX file, which I'm going to save as a Power BI project file. And I created a folder with two subfolders, start and end, where I'm going to save these Power BI project files. And then I have the same Power BI report in the before state, so where I don't have that chart and the required measures. This one I'm also going to save in that Power BI project format. Now make sure to put it then in the start subfolder. Now if we then go to one of these Power BI project folders, for example for the end solution, then you will see how they are built up. We have that PBIP file next to two subfolders, one for the semantic model, one for the report. Now we are interested in the report one. Then you will find all different kinds of text files for the pages and the visuals. Now we need Cloud Code or Codex or Visual Studio to start working on the scale, to create it basically for us. And the first thing that you can do here is open a folder that you want to use for this project. And then we need to install Cloud Code. And now we can ask Cloud to make the scale for us on the basis of these two Power BI project files where we have the before and the after state, and it can look at the differences so that it can create the instructions to get to the end result. Press enter and let's see what it does. Here you see all of the files that it created. Now, of course, that skill MD file, which then refers to the templates and the examples that it can use. Let's check it out. And it called our scale time window highlights. Now, let me just open it up. You see we have that skill MD file. We have over here these three little hyphens followed by the name and the description. Perfect. Now, followed by the goal, the prerequisites. Here we have all of the variables in the template, and here the step-by-step instructions where it points to the other files. Okay, now we have to put it to the test and see, does it actually work? Copy our scale, and then I go to my user folder where we have the folder for Cloud. And in the Cloud folder, we have scales. Put it in there, and now Cloud should be able to find it. I don't want to tell Cloud to specifically use that scale. I want to keep it a little bit more vague. So let's give it the following prompt. All right, it's done. It created semantic model changes and report changes by editing certain files or creating new ones for the visuals that were not existing before. So it's time to see if it actually worked. Go to the file where I had a copy, and then let's just open that PBIP file. Now here we have that slicer, and we can just adjust the range, and you see we have only labels for those data points that are within the selected time window. We have the reference lines, the highlight area. We have a disconnected table there for that slicer that it created. We have new measures that were added. And if I select the visual, you see there's a visual calculation. Perfect.